Adaptations in Animals Part 1. First of all, we will learn kinds of animals on the basis of habitat. So, what is habitat? What is habitat? Habitat is the natural place which provides a living being with food, water, shelter, and right environment to live. We can say it is the natural home of an animal where an animal lives. Now we will learn about types of animals on the basis of habitat. There are basically 5 kinds of animals on the basis of habitat. Number 1, terrestrial animal. 2, aquatic animal. 3, aerial animals. 4, arboreal animals. And 5th one is amphibian animals. Terrestrial animals. Animals that live on land are called terrestrial animals. These animals are living on land. There are many land animals or terrestrial animals like zebra, rhino, tiger, elephant, kangaroo, dog, cat, cow, goat, sheep, bull, horse, donkey. These are terrestrial animals as these all are living on land. Aquatic animals. Animals that live in water are called aquatic animals. Example: shark, octopus, crab, seahorse, sea turtle, stingray, jellyfish, sea turtle, whale, shark. These are aquatic animals. Animals which are aerial animals. Animals that spend their most of time flying in the air are called aerial animal. Yes, they are spending most of their time in flying. So, I hope you understood that all birds are coming in the category of aerial animals like parrot, sparrow, seagull. In the same way, insects are also flying. So these are also coming in the category of aerial animals. Bat, bee, monarch butterfly, dragonfly, hummingbird, these all are aerial animals. Arboreal animals. Animals that spend most of their time on trees are called arboreal animals. They are living or spending most of their time on trees. Example: squirrel, bird, chameleon, tree frog, ant, monkey, koala, snake, pangolin, sloth, tassler. These are arboreal animals. Amphibian animals. Animals that live on land and in water both are called amphibian animals. Amphibians are living on land and in water as well as. Some examples are frog, toad, salamander, newt, crocodile, tortoises, etc. So these are kinds of animals on the basis of their habitat. Hope you like it. Thank you for watching it.